Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a custom footer menu to Shopify store. So now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. First of all, to add a custom footer menu to Shopify, you're going to be heading over to your apps. Actually, not your apps. You can head over to your online store and click on customize button here. So yeah, here it is. Then we're going to incorporate some of the custom coding. Make sure that you have that set already. So you can see we have our front end section showing up. So to incorporate your you can say like menu, so we have a menu on top, but if you want a footer menu, you're going to be scrolling down and you can see we have footer in here below, and you can incorporate your menu there as well. So all you need to do is you're going to be heading over to these three dots and click on edit code, and from here you can custom add your footer menu to Shopify store. So that's about it, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.